are at the Mission, the very famous Mission that was built in 1776 here in San Juan Capistrano. And Sheila and I want to share something with you girls.
On our 16th anniversary month with Senegen's Cosmetics. I'll tell you, our life absolutely changed when we said yes to Senegen's Cosmetics. This little tube has changed my life.
Mine too. It has.
And it can change yours.
Yeah, Lip Sense is where it's at. This is the wow product. This is what gets you in the door. This is what every woman wants in America and the world.
If you want to be beautiful all day long without retouching your makeup, the confidence, oh my goodness, it's worth it. The confidence alone.
And we want to thank Senegen's and Joni and all the corporate people for the most amazing trips that they plan for us.
Absolutely.
And the most amazing, we've been all over the world because of this tube. And we want to thank you, Senegen's, and we want to thank you, distributors, because you can catch the vision too, just like we did 16 years ago.
Let's hear a big woohoo.
Woohoo!